Presenting the Apple MacBook Air. It comes with Intel HD Graphics 6000 and dual-core 5th generation Intel Core i5 processor. It comes with 8 GB memory and SSD storage. It comes with up to 12 hours of battery life. It also features SDXC port, 2 USB 3 ports and Thunderbolt 2 port. The delivery box contains 13-inch MacBook Air, 30 watts USB-C power adapter and USB-C charge cable, 2 meters.
Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.